Yesterday we bought, and it arrived in the mail, the Blushield Tesla Gold Series. Here it is. Here is the bad boy. He's right there. So it's is today April 17th, 2020? We've been in the quarantine now for a month. So we decided to buy this little gadget. And I wanted to give you guys an update on my 24-hour. It's been 24 hours now since we've had it plugged in. And most people have been asking, and they're very curious about the detox process. When you plug it in, they say that you get a detox. So I kind of want to explain what has happened to me in the past 24 hours. I think that's like the biggest and the weirdest thing when you buy this device is you feel a little like unsure about this detox process. And then obviously it's like coronavirus time. So it's like, wait a second, like, will this detox, like, will these symptoms such as headache and fatigue, will that affect me? I don't know. It's kind of like a gray area. And I don't know, that was like my original concern about buying the device. Like, I'm all for its benefits that it provides after, but like these past 24 hours, like right when we plugged it in, I work from home. So I don't know if any of you guys also work from home. Please let me know what you guys think in terms of what happened to me. But I plugged it in and I started working, and I work on the computer like all day as a web designer. So I don't know if it was just a combination of being on the computer, but I did feel really, really tired yesterday. I would say the initial shock of it, if you feel it like after, within the first like 5 hours, you feel tired and like a little bit of like a headache. Like I felt lightheaded as well. Very strange. Nothing that's going to stop me from working though, but I did feel like extremely tired yesterday. I think it's important. I took some breaks, went outside, breathed in some fresh air, drank a lot of water. I did feel thirsty, but I'm always drinking a lot of water, so I'm not really sure. This morning I was able to do a workout, hence sports bra here. That's gonna, I think, impede you, but I didn't sleep very well last night, and I've read a lot of reviews that say that it's supposed to help your sleep. And maybe, I think it was because I was nervous. I'm going to be honest. I don't think it was anything with the device. I think I was just kind of like nervous about it. I think it's just something new you have to get used to. But when I woke up this morning, I felt fine. Had a little bit, I feel like a little headachy, but not like too intense. But let's see. I did my workout and it was fine. So what are you guys thinking about? If you guys have any questions, please ask below. What are your thoughts? What are your guys' other experiences? If you have any experiences from the symptoms, please comment below. I'll keep you guys updated. Keep watching the videos, and I'll kind of go day by day giving you guys an update. And subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, give you lots of tips, and I will give you some more updates on the Blushield device. Let's do this.